guys, hanging in the garage. Look at all that pollen. Can barely work outside right now. I get pretty allergic to pollen. And there's the sign. Hey guys, so I was redoing a couple of my garage cabinets that I bought all janky for $10 each. And one of them is Vault Tec and the other one was gonna be Brotherhood of Steel, but then I found this really cool logo for the Lyons Pride from, I think it's Fallout 3. So I needed a stencil and I ended up turning it into a full-on sign. And that's what we're gonna be building today, so let's see how it's made. It's all cut out. The only hiccup I got is this plywood's really dry, so it's splitting it right here. And then you got some corners like right, and you got some corners like right here and right here splitting. So for stencil this will work, but as a wall sign, everything should be okay but this bit. So I'm not sure what I'll do about it yet, and you can see like this is all moving quite badly here. I mean, it's all janky, so I don't know, we'll see. Sand in the front, this piece fell out and disappeared somewhere, and then more pieces kept kind of falling off. This is breaking off completely, so that's one downfall of using like free, really cheap, crappy plywood, and then this bit is missing too. So we're gonna use the old classic Russian technique. I looked at the other side. There's only a couple of minor spots that are a little bit worse, but it's just this little guy. There's a little bit right here, but I just cheated and cut a little bit. And so this side looks really clean. So we're just gonna go ahead and use this as my work side, and the other side I'll spray for the cabinet over there. So let's do that. And we're gonna go ahead and finish tomorrow when because I gotta paint the shelves that sit way over there. So we're gonna finish this, paint that, and that'll be a standalone video. I'm still thinking of decorating a little bit here actually. Maybe just cut out like Ad Victoriam either for here or run it on the side. Maybe like a welcome home at the bottom, the same font like as the banner. But all that's kind of bonus material later. For now, these will work. And that was a pretty fun $20 project. I actually put the sign together, but it was looking too new, so we're gonna dry brush it. I haven't dry brushed anything for a little while, so let's try it. Here it is, all finished. Came out really good. It does bug me a little bit that it's facing the wrong way, but the other side of the plywood was just too crappy. Looks slightly distressed, not too old. And yeah, nice little side project for my garage cabinets. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time when we build something else.